Count the drone down, please. That Vienna was in the news all over the world for all the wrong reasons. But what reached us was the beauty and the togetherness and the kindness of all of Taylor Swift's fans. So we felt that, of course Taylor is in America, she's not here, but we're here, so we have to do the best we can do, okay? So, I don't want to let you think that we don't care about Swifties in our band. So, I need to ask you, yes, I need you to find next to you the biggest Swiftie that you know and tell me who they are. But you can't scream. I need to find one or two people. No screaming. Okay, Frosty, make a line here, please, everybody. Make a line here, please. This lady in the white t-shirt. You look like a real Swiftie. Let's make a line, please. Let's make a line, please. Here, this way. And let this lady come through. Come. Okay, come on, you're safe. And they got you. Here come two genuine Swifties. That's fantastic. Okay. And please could I ask Maggie Rogers to come on the stage as well? Hello, Maggie. All right. Okay, girls, let's go. Okay. All right, here we go. What's your name? Sina and... Now look, you guys can sit over here. Let me test you on your Taylor Swift knowledge, okay? What is the first single from Midnight? The first song that you heard from, was it Lavender Haze or was it Anti-Hero? Well, either way, that's correct. We'll take that. I believe you. You're Swifties. It's good. You can do whatever you want. Yes, you can. Okay. All right. Here we go. Ready? And you want to turn this.